From the underworld of Egypt to the heavens, the California Science Center spans time and space, imagination, and the sciences which teach us where we came from. And it is so amazing to be back here to celebrate what I know will be the place to be seen in Los Angeles for the next 9 months, to welcome back an old friend, King Tut.
The best moment in my life when I went to examine the mummy of Tutankhamun. That was a beautiful moment, looking at his golden face. What's really unique about this king? Every time that this king travels, there is something new about him. You will see each object that will capture your heart. But really, what makes this exhibit also unique? The Guardian. This statue to leave Egypt, to come to Los Angeles, it's amazing. Tutankhamun is guarding his tomb.